personally communicate to the doctors that you have online? Because the doctors could be inundated with emails and personal messages. How would they ever keep up with it?
What we're really trying to do is bring social media and a social network to the medical profession.
What's the social element? You didn't really say.
So, let's say Kevin O'Leary moves to LA, wants to find a plastic surgeon there, get even sexier than he is already.
I don't need that. Fantastic.
Even sexier.
I'm going to have a heart attack if you do that nonsense.
If he wants to go and find a doctor right now, he's going to do a search engine, he's going to be inundated with inaccurate information, and he's really going to end up just as good as when he started.
Are you up and running at all?
We are in alpha testing right now. We've got 50 users on it, our personal connections that are using it, verifying how it works.
50 doctors or just total users?
Total users.
I'm just looking at my own situation. My doctor's in Boston. When I have aches and pains and I'm on the road, I can email him as I do. He communicates back to me that way and suggests that I go see a specialist when I get home. All done by email. The organization in Boston, which has my medical files, shares them amongst hospitals. We've got that technology now. So when I arrive at the specialist, they have my history. They know who I am. What are you adding?
Looks like we're getting some success here.
Social media. Doctors want to brand themselves, want to advertise. Just like you create a profile on Rolodoc and create a profile on
He's got his
other
butt
social
showing.
networks,
He's going to
but
fix
those social
that.
networks aren't safe.
Let's take a step back. How am I going to convince you, the physician, to put your profile up there and detail
Oh
the
boy,
services
he knows
that
we're
you
talking
offer?
about him.
There's 800,000.
Here we go.
And that's what the market was.
Okay.
There's 100 places to put profiles. What are you going to do to convince doctors?
Just like you have business connections, we have medical connections. We're going to launch in Arizona, Texas, and Chicago. Those are where all our connections are. We have access to multiple doctors, multiple databases.
got it.
We're going to tell them that this is the best way to brand yourself
How
and
are you
advertise.
going to tell them I'm pulling teeth? I should be a dentist. Are you personally going to quit your practice? You're going to stop doing surgery and you're going to make the call?
No, this day and age, we can do it with electronics. We can
You're going to buy a database?
You know what, Mark?
Send an email?
This is dangerous. How are you vetting these doctors?
It was a valid concern because you don't want to be reading about
Oh,
somebody
boy.
that actually isn't a surgeon who's offering heart surgery. That would be a bad outcome.
I'm almost ready.
But it's going to be dangerous if you can't get any doctors. Okay, let's go through the logical progression.
And
Doctor.
anyway, that's how
It's from Roll.
Rat Dog gets ready for bed.